Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's class, we are going to discuss about file handling in Python. Before talking about Python, let's talk about this. In our real life, how do we open a book? We open a book generally and we perform the action. That means you will read the book, or if it is a notebook, you will take the notes in it and you will finally close the book. So that means there are three steps. One, opening the book, and second, you perform the action, and finally you close the book. Similarly, in Python also, we need to follow the same order. First you open the book, second you perform the action, and finally you need to close the book. And we need to remember one thing: when you are opening a book, you need to mention why you want to open the book, whether you want to read the book, or you want to write to the book, or you want to read and write at the same time. So that is called a mode. Okay, so when you open a book, we need to mention that. So let's get started by writing a simple Python program here. So in this first example, we will read the book, read example. So as I said, when you are opening any file, we can use the open method, and the first parameter will be the name of the file, and next we need to mention the mode. So why you want to open the file. So in this case, I want to read it. So the entire thing I will just save it in variable called file here. Now I open the book. The second step will be the action. So now I want to read it. So for reading it, I need to use a file variable which have the file pointer using the open. And now I can read it. And finally, we need to close the file. Okay, so let's see this. Let's run this one and then see. Let me print out this one because we are reading it, but we're not displaying it on the screen. Before running the program, let me show you exactly what I have in my data.txt. So this is what I have it in my data.txt. These 5 lines, I do have it here. Okay. So let me run this guy. Python 18 files. You see everything got printed here. Everything. Okay. So once again, let's discuss about this. For opening the file, we use the open method, and to that open method, first parameter will be the file. Okay, so here, since the data.txt is in the same folder, I gave that location here. If that file is somewhere else, then we need to give the entire path of that file, maybe like users, your name, and then some download folders, or wherever it is. That entire path we need to mention it over here. And then the second parameter will be the mode of the file, exactly in which mode you want to open the file. In this case, it is a read mode. After that, for reading the content, we use file.read here. Okay, the read will read the entire file. Okay, and finally we need to close the file. So let's say something like you don't want to read the entire content, but you want to read only one line. How can you do that? So Python will provide you beautiful way of doing that as well. Okay, so let me comment out this line. So I just want to read the first line. For that, instead of using read, I can use read line. Okay, so let's run this. You will get to see only one line here. So you might have understand it. If I do another read line after this one, what will happen? Will it read the same line again or the second line? Let's run and see. See here. So we got the first line and the second line. So that means the file pointer, okay, the file pointer, when you read line, that will read the line and it will be pointing to the second line location. So that's the reason when you do the second read line, you will get the second line read line. And if you try to execute one more time, you will get the third line, and so on and so forth. Now you might be getting ideas. I don't want to read line by line, but I want to read all the lines in one go. That also we can do. So let's do that. Just like read line, we have a read lines also. The read lines will read all the lines over here. Okay. So let's run this program and see here. You will be surprised. So for first two read lines, we got first two lines. And for the remaining things, we got into a list here. The read lines have the three items and each item is one line content. Okay, so this is what it is. The first two read line, we got this one, and for read lines, these three items are in the list. So you understand it, right? So the file pointer will be moving after performing every action. Now you might be getting ideas how I can read from the beginning. So I already read two lines, but again, I want to start from the beginning of the file. So for that, Python provides a function called seek. So for this seek, you need to provide the place from where you want to start. So in this case, I want to start it from the 0. Let's see this exactly how it behaves. So do you see this? So we got the first two lines, but again, in the read lines, we got it from the first line. Okay, so this is possible because of the seek. So that means when you operate seek 0, the file pointer will be pointing to the 0th byte location. If you mention something like 2 here, okay, so that means let's say 2 means this is gone 1 0 1. So I think it will be starting from 5. So let's run this. See, it started from the 5. It left the first two characters. So that is the beauty about this seek method. So whenever you want to skip something or you want to start from middle of the file, wherever it is, okay, so that can be doable using this seek method. And finally, don't forget to close the file because it is possible to leak the data or you will be corrupting the memory if you don't close the file. So this is about read operation, guys. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And in the next class, we'll discuss about write mode. Till then, take care.